All right, today we're going to talk about subtracting decimals. And just like with adding decimals, when we subtract decimals, we still need to line up our decimal points as we subtract. So let's try a practice problem of 12 and 9/10 minus 6 and 25/100. All right, so again, I always need to make sure then I'm going to put the larger number on top when I'm subtracting. And 12 is more than 6. I'm going to kind of look at that whole number to help me decide which one goes on top. So 12 and 9/10 minus 6 and 25/100. Remember, I'm always going to line up my decimals so I know that I have my hundreds in my hundreds place, my tenths in my tenths place, my ones in my ones place, and my tens in my tens place. So then I go ahead and subtract. Now, here's where things are a little bit different when we subtract. I don't have anything here. I can't just bring down this 5. This is actually 90 hundredths. So I need to add this 0 so that I can subtract correctly. So if you have any empty spots when you're subtracting, you need to add that 0 in. Because then I have to say, wait a second, I can't take 5 from 0. I need to regroup. Again, I need to regroup here because I cannot do 2 take away 6. Okay, so I'm left with 6 and 65/100. Okay, let's try another example. Let's do 49 and 2/10 take away 13 and 700. Now, when I look at this, this looks like a longer number because it has more digits, but 49 is the greater number. I have 49 and 2/10, 13 and 700. Don't get fooled and think this is longer. It goes on top. It does not. 49 is our greater number. 49 and 2/10. Now I'm going to look where my decimal point is. All right, I have that. I have to put what's on my decimals on this side, whole numbers on this side. I'm ready to subtract. I need to add that 0 to my 2/10. So I'm going to make it 20 hundredths so that I can subtract. I cannot take 7 away from 0. I need to regroup. Go next door and borrow. 10 minus 7 is 3. 1 minus 0 is 1. My decimal point. 9 minus 3 is 6. 4 minus 1, 3. So here I have 49 and 2/10 subtract 13 and 700 equals 36 and 13 hundredths. All right, and my answer is reasonable because I can just check with my whole numbers. 49 minus 13 is going to be close to 36. Okay, so I want you to go ahead and try these strategies today on your work.